people, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rachel. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be doing an unboxing video today, sponsored by EZLUXURY. So please, I'm asking you guys to make sure that you leave a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload whenever time I post a video. And please remember to watch the ads for me. So this is the package that I got, right? So I'll be placing their email address, their phone number, as well as their site link in the description, so that you guys can click on the link in my description box and then you guys can head over to this store. So this store sells a wide variety of things and they're very affordable. So if you want things for your partner, things for yourself, if you want jewelry, bags, shoes, you name it, they have it. So you guys can also use my code TREND so that you guys can get 5% coupon off, right? Yeah, 5% coupon off once you use my code. So you guys can go over there, and I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed if you go over there. So I'm gonna be unboxing my package, and then I'm gonna show you all what I get, and then I'm gonna be trying it on as well, right? So let's go. Right, so this is the top. So they bubble wrap the package, as you all can see, so it's very secure. So alright guys, so here we have it. Alright guys, so this is what I got. So I got me a pair of shoes. So this in a bag in it. So here's a bag, a cute little Chanel bag. So it's a drawstring bag. So a cute little Chanel bag. Yeah. So that, and then the sneakers. So this is the sneakers. Right. So as you all can see, it's definitely not a simple. It's definitely not a simple shoes. It have grip under the bottom, so I don't know. Say, we don't have to worry about falling. Right. So alright, so we're gonna try this on. Let me see how it looks. Okay, so we're gonna go in the shoes now. So I'm gonna tie the lace and then I show you all how it look. and it's strap up and everything. Alright guys, so this is the shoes, and it fit perfect, like it's really comfortable. It's really comfortable guys, and it's a suede material. Alright guys, so as you all can see, the shoes is feeling really comfortable. Like, I'm not find no fault with it so far, and it's a suede in material. So please, I'm asking you all to click the link in my description box, right? So right where you see the drop down arrow right here, click on it, and then I'll be putting the site link as well as my code in the description box, so you can see the code right on the screen right here. So you can type in my code and use my code trend so that you guys can get 5% coupon off. Okay, so make sure you go over there because they have some really nice things. Like, they have a lot of nice handbags, they have some scarf over there, they have nice men's shoes, nice men's shirt, nice dress for ladies, nice shirts. They have a lot of nice jewelry over there same way. So as I said, don't take my word for it, just click on the link in the description box, go over there, and you can purchase your things, right? So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and please remember to watch the ads for me. So it's a girl Rush, and I am out until another video. Bye.